Fiskars Pro secure locking system utility knife. If you're not familiar with the Fiskars Pro lineup, they are all super high quality products. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this one right here. So let's go ahead and just pop it right on open. And there we have it. Initial thoughts of it in hand is just the very rock solid feel to it. And when I just open it up, I really like this curved area right here. And even just right on top right here, the design of it is like just perfect. Like they've just got it down pat where it gives you totally good leverage when you're cutting anything. So we have this little protector piece right here, which we can take off for our blade. We got that really high quality blade in there. And this blade is just rock solid in there. We do have the little removable piece right here. So if we push that button down and it's just up like that, and then we do have our removable blade, and I'll just leave that pushed right up right there, and we'll just throw this right back in just like that, lock it back down into place, and we are good to go. We do have obviously our folding system right here. So we have the button right here, which will fold right closed, and that folds in nice and secure, nice and solid. Feels really good. I love that grip texture that they have right here. We do have the belt clip right here on the back, so we can use that if we need to. And then we go ahead and we just press that button. We can lift it back up, and it locks into place. Absolutely rock solid. This is not wiggle or anything like that at all. When it's locked in, it is locked in. When it's locked into there, even very solid. This is a high quality folding utility knife. This is going to be one of your best ones on the market. I've seen different reviews on this one as well, and this is always one as being the top notch, the best for design, the best for quality. So no hesitations on picking up this Fiskars Pro utility knife.